Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best oil trading brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Crude oil is a naturally occurring petroleum product commonly used in energy production and manufacturing. Typically purchased with the intent to be refined into everyday uses such as diesel, gasoline, heating oil, jet fuel, among many other uses. As such, its price has a dramatic impact on the global economy and is traded in high volumes all around the world. Forex platforms now provide a variety of ways for you to trade into oil futures without essentially having to trade the futures themselves, which avoids the necessity of ultimately taking delivery of the oil. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best oil trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, while offering sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, Indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes popular trading strategies and videos if you are looking for any additional education with Plus 500. At number 4 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013. Contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, commodities, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is available on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you're feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 3 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options on the MetaTrader 4 platform, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your knowledge through FXTM. Coming in at number 2 is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education with Alpari. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best oil trading brokers is Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons that Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, up to 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental and technical analysis panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education through Tickmill. And those are some of the top 5 best oil trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.